Title: Jasmine's London Love Affair. In the heart of bustling London, amidst the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, lived a young woman named Jasmine. Jasmine was a bright and ambitious soul, working tirelessly at her job in a multinational corporation to make her dreams come true. Jasmine's days were filled with meetings, deadlines, and endless emails, but amidst the chaos of her professional life, there was one thing that always managed to brighten her day: her colleague, Alex. Alex was charming, with a smile that could light up a room and eyes that sparkled with mischief. From the moment Jasmine laid eyes on him, she felt a connection unlike any other. But she kept her feelings hidden, afraid of risking their professional relationship. One sunny morning, as Jasmine sat at her desk sipping her morning coffee, Alex approached her with a smile. "Hey, Jasmine, do you have a moment?" he asked. Jasmine's heart fluttered at the sound of his voice, but she quickly composed herself and nodded. "Of course, Alex. What do you need?" Alex hesitated for a moment before speaking. "I was wondering if you'd like to grab lunch with me today. There's this new cafe down the street that I've been wanting to try." Jasmine's heart skipped a beat at the invitation. She had dreamed of spending time alone with Alex, but she never imagined it would actually happen. "I'd love to," she replied, trying to sound casual despite the butterflies in her stomach. As they walked to the cafe together, Jasmine couldn't help but steal glances at Alex. He looked so handsome in his crisp white shirt and tailored trousers, and she found herself falling for him more with each step they took. Over lunch, they laughed and talked, sharing stories about their lives outside of work. Jasmine felt herself opening up to Alex in a way she never had before, and she realized just how much she enjoyed his company. As they finished their meal and prepared to head back to the office, Alex hesitated for a moment before speaking. "Jasmine, there's something I've been wanting to tell you," he said, his voice filled with sincerity. Jasmine's heart raced as she waited for him to continue. "What is it, Alex?" she asked, unable to hide the anticipation in her voice. Alex took a deep breath before speaking. "I've really enjoyed getting to know you, Jasmine, and I was wondering if you'd like to go out with me sometime, like on a date?" Jasmine's heart soared at the question. She had been hoping for this moment for so long, and now that it was finally here, she couldn't believe it. "Yes, Alex," she said, her voice barely above a whisper. "I would love to go out with you." And so, their love story began. A whirlwind romance filled with laughter, passion, and countless unforgettable moments. They explored the streets of London together, hand in hand, discovering hidden gems and making memories that would last a lifetime. But as their love deepened, Jasmine couldn't shake the feeling of unease that lingered in the back of her mind. She knew that dating a colleague could be risky, especially in a professional environment as competitive as theirs. As their relationship blossomed, rumors began to spread throughout the office, and Jasmine couldn't help but feel the eyes of her co-workers on her wherever she went. She worried that their romance would jeopardize her career, but she couldn't bear the thought of losing Alex. One day, as they sat together in a quiet corner of the office, Jasmine voiced her concerns to Alex. "I'm scared, Alex," she admitted, her voice trembling with emotion. "I don't want our relationship to ruin everything we've worked so hard for." Alex reached out and took her hand, his gaze steady and reassuring. "I understand, Jasmine, but we can't let fear hold us back from being happy. We'll face whatever challenges come our way together, as a team." With Alex by her side, Jasmine felt a newfound sense of courage. She knew that their love was worth fighting for, no matter the obstacles they faced. And as they stood together, hand in hand, Jasmine knew that with Alex by her side, she could conquer anything that came her way, both in love and in life.